Good. All right, stop. Dig it in. Get in. Boom. And then just relax your hand. Just relax. Drop it. Right there. Right. Remember that position. Yeah. Just dig it in. Then you can. All right. So we're isolating. Isolating. Okay.
Okay. Remember your first at bat?
There you go.
Yeah, practice.
Good. Stop. Dig it in.
Stop.
Stop. Dig it in. Okay. Dig your elbow into your rib cage. You start from there.
I'm sorry.
Relax. Good. See how you relax, you get quicker. Yes. There you go. Dig it in. Stop. Dig it in. Dig it in. Stop. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do that. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. That's where you want to start from. Oh, here. Yeah. We're isolating this spot. Okay. You want to isolating the stance. We're isolating that. All right. So isolating the explosion.
Can I start from here?
Yeah, because you're going to end up there, right? We're breaking down here. We're not breaking down here. We're breaking down from once you get to here to the ball. Okay. So isolation.
So I get back.
Yes. Now dig it in up high.
High.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dig it in. Now top in. Same height as his hand. Yes. Yes. Yeah, start your hand high and toss into chest high. In a game, like if you get the ball up high, what you're going to do, right, is your elbow's going to... See what I mean? So if it's down, see? So that's what we kind of isolate. So if you're going to... We're breaking down, so instead of going here, we're going to start from here. And again, then you can start from here. That's what I mean, just kind of like go like that. Okay. It'll just give you an idea of how to do it from here.
Okay.
Okay. The elbow is what gives you your height. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. Get there, still putting on. Can you keep it fair? Take a bit off it and just trying to hit it right there, chest high. Cookie. Yes.